Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the OpenCore bootloader theme. So I'll use my main PC as an example. We're going to go to your browser, type OpenCore Configurator download, scroll down until you see this, or I'm going to go with this. Now it will start to download. Double click on the file. So when you see the OpenCore Configurator, move it to the application. Or if you already got the OpenCore Configurator, you can launch it by the way. Now launch the app. Wait, let me check these. Alright, so yeah, now locate to the right of top of your screen, click on it, and now locate your Windows UEFI partition. So here it is. So make sure to check the status is OpenCore boot partition. Now type in your login macOS password. Alright, now go to UEFI, and now you're gonna go to drivers. Make sure to check the Open Canopy drivers is here, or if it isn't located here, you're gonna click on this. Go to the UEFI partition as no name UEFI and OC drivers, and select all of these 4 files for me. Now you're gonna go to this. Make sure the picker attributes, make sure it should be 17, show picker, hibernate picker, and pull Apple hotkeys. Make sure this should be external, and here it is. This is the place where you choose your OpenCore boot theme. I like this theme, so I'm going to choose this. Now take on this, click on download, click on set as default, close this window, go to file, save, or let me check this. So, and I forgot to mention that make sure it is the latest version of OpenCore. File and save. Now let's restart our system to see the work. Alright, so at this point, now restart your system to see if it works or not. Alright, so when you done it correctly, it should shows up like this. Now you just select your operating system to boot up. So that is how you change the boot theme of OpenCore bootloader. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe and share button and watch my new video, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Goodbye.